Usanit sangma ubalong upara jong Dr. Mukul sangma baru MLA jong garang sakona. Ulah te umpja ya gejengmi khubor kawaong baka dong Jingïapait ya pra hapok kaseng kongres. Habagan bagila patai khubor haka arpulai tarik unai luar arajar arpoi. Usanit ulaong ba kini baru kibadia bagi balong kaseng kongres kini ki Kam Ïing jong kaseng ya kabara chupan he akilar patai khubor.
There have been lots of media reports, but then how far it is true? Because I am the person who, after seeing in the newspaper also, I don't think that everything which is carried in the newspaper is gospel truth. So, of course, I saw that this kind of news article is being carried in some of the newspapers. But then as far as the issue of the Congress party is concerned, that is internal matter, this is family matter, and we have the robust system wherein we manage to resolve these kind of family matters internally within the family.
Hakbadi baka jengmi khubor ba Dr. Mukul ulaban penyesuaian ada dia baka seng Trinamool Kongres. Usanit ulaong ba yakani on sesemrahi Dr. Mukul bat kai kabaja hakasan partai hakin digasi kabamata kade kabaki pajba kana banyak perkhat.
See, there has been lots of speculation as because many of the MLAs from Garo Hills, including the leader of the opposition, could not attend the function. There has been lots of speculations from your side. From media side only, there has been lots of speculations. Sometimes they have been speculating that the saffron party is approaching, sometimes TMC, sometimes this and that, some new party will be floated. These are all stories made by certain section of people or maybe from the media only.
Habala kali halo ke jenglong nengalam jong uba Vincent Pala kum presiden jong Kam Mekla Pradesh Congress Committee nakaliang uzenit ulapan pau ba ya ka jeng mempriang ban lande ka jeng priang ya ka jenglong nengalam jong u kan syong ha ka Jingïapait lang jong baro ki MLA kaseng Congress bat kumjuru kit khot ki badai ha ka ni kaseng.
So not attending certain functions, it doesn't mean that the MLAs are going to desert the party. There are lots of grievances to be flagged before the leadership, before the High Command. And High Command will take a call to resolve this internally.
So that means, will you reach out to the High Command now, sir?
Now it is the High Command. We have already demonstrated our protest and grievances as to why everybody has not been taken into confidence before taking any decision or what is there. Furthermore, all these things transparently will have to be spelled out, and I think the High Command will take a call to resolve this. So as of now, I don't know anything.
So it's unclear, sir, whether you have approached the High Command or you're waiting for the High Command to react.
No, approaching High Command doesn't arise because we have sufficiently made the message, strong message, reach to the High Command.